Okay, so long days I am back, and today we are going to see how to bypass the Motorola Android 13 latest security device and without any computer. So let's start. Now we are just going to click the start button and then connect the Wi-Fi. So now we are just check that our device is FRP locked. You see this lock icon, that's mean our phone have FRP locked, but we check again and then we are going to start the bypassing process. So this method will be work almost 95% Motorola device with Android 13 device, the latest security, and no need computer to do the work, and the process is very simple. Within few minutes it will be done. So just stay with me and watch the tutorial and you will get the solution. Okay, so you can see there is use my Google account instead. So that's mean our phone is FRP locked, and this is the page. So now we just click back button, and you must be connect the Wi-Fi first. Okay, so you must be connect the Wi-Fi first, and now we have to press the emergency call and dial the emergency code, that is 112, and hit the call button. And there is just searching your location. You have to try sometime because the location will be updated. So again I call 112 again. When the location is ready, then there is showing and you have to try to click there. Okay, so I click the Google map and then I click the skip option. Alright, now you can see the share button. You have to press here and then click the message and the new message, and now dial 112 and send to the message, and there is going the Google map link, but you just select all, then cut and write www.youtube.com and then send the SMS. And now you click this link. Oh, sorry. Again we have to try 112. Okay, message, new message 112, and we click again the just preload and then click this icon and it will be go YouTube apps, and then click this button, settings, about, YouTube terms and service, and then accept. Okay, now you have to visit my website fixfarmware.com/apk. okay, then go, and there's my website open and you can see some link. So first we have to click the set lock screen option. Set lock screen, I click here and this page is come. Now click the patent option and you have to try some time. So just try and try again, then close app, back and set lock screen again, then again try. Again try. You have to try many times just like me, and then okay, so it's work. Then click this keep button. and then back. So the work is done, and the process is very easy. But if it's not work, if the skip button not show, then the second option, this is the second method. Our FRP is already removed, but if it not work, then you go to settings and then go to systems, and then language and input, language, add language, and select this China language and number 2 and this option. Okay, that's mean you have to change the language, and then when you try the lock screen option, okay, I visit my link again and then go to lock screen, and then it's actually work. So there is show only skip button, but when you try a lot of time but it's not work, then you change the language and then just try the lock screen, then you can show this option. Okay, the skip option then show. Okay, this is the second method actually. So I just change the language again. Okay, now just back from here. Okay, now going to setup. Don't copy. Okay, now I just put my new patent lock, and there is the skip button. So that's mean our FRP lock is removed. Now just click the skip button and it's ready to set up. Then again skip. I no need this app right now. If you need, then tick and click OK. Okay, so I click the disable the email option, otherwise I have to put the email. Next, done. Okay, done. So this is the method. I think it worked for you. If it not work, then comment below. I will try to give you the new solution or the alternative solution, but I think it's work. So if it really work, then hit the like button, and if you are new on my channel, so you can subscribe me. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Till then, take care. Tata.